How you going, guys? I just want to preface this video by saying this video isn't for people who haven't used Facebook ads before. For those who have used Facebook ads, we all know how hard it can be to track the success. What I mean by success is it's easy to get link clicks on Facebook or get people to see your ad, but it's not easy to see if these link clicks and ad views actually lead to sales and profit for your business. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can actually track and measure that sales process from Facebook ads. When tracking the results of Facebook ads, it allows us to answer questions like, how much does a lead cost? How many leads do I need to get a sale? How much does each sale cost using Facebook ads? And the return on investment on Facebook ads. So if you spend $10, how many leads are you generating? So on and so forth. These are all questions which marketers and businesses need to know in order to improve and generate a system which allows them to sell and make money, essentially. And Facebook ads allows us to do that really effectively using tools. In this video, we're going to discuss how we can set them up and how they all work and what you should be using for your Facebook ads. So where to start? The first place to start is understanding how the customer journey works for someone using your Facebook ads. So the first place they start is obviously on Facebook, where they see your ad. So we need to be able to track them there, and then we get them to click on your ad, and most likely from there they go to your website. So we need to be able to track them on your website. And then once they're on your website, we need to be able to track what they do. For some businesses, they might want them to buy a product, or another business might want them to enter a lead generation form. So the important thing is that we need to be able to track customers on all three stages of this. 1, on Facebook, 2, on the website, and 3, what action they're doing on the website. And thankfully, Facebook allows us to do that from their platform nice and easily. So the tool Facebook uses to allow us to track people who have been to your website and what they do on your website is called Facebook Pixel. Essentially, it's a small code which you stick on your website, and once it's set up, and allows us to track who's been on your website and what they're doing on your website. It's great, you need to have it. I won't teach you how to set it up today because everyone else has already taught it on the internet, but just know you have to have it set up. And once it's set up, it's good to go. So once you've installed the Facebook Pixel, you can go to your Facebook Ads Manager and navigate to Events Manager. Once in Events Manager, we have access to these new tools, and the one we're going to play with today is called Custom Conversions, and you'll find that in the top left. We'll click on Custom Conversions, and under Custom Conversions, we can set up rules to define if someone who's on our website has achieved what we want. And we can do that by tracking which pages they have been on. So let's go through and demonstrate it. We're going to create a new custom conversion. And up the top, you can see we're using our pixel to track the information. And then we're looking at what URLs they're going to. So our first URL is going to be our homepage because that's where we're directing our ad traffic. So in here we put our homepage and we change the URL setting to equals because that means they've equals that homepage. Like that, it means that they've essentially gone on that page specifically. If we changed it to contains and put in IPM media, that would mean every page on my website would contain IPM media. Therefore, every page would be a success. But today, we're just going to choose equals because we just want to be solely our homepage. And then the next place we want our customers to eventually go will be our ebook page. So we're going to put URL equals, and then we're going to put our URL in, which is www.ipmmedia.net/ebook. Once again, that's contains, and then we're going to add another rule. And this other rule is going to be equals again, and it's going to be the thank you page once you've bought the ebook. So we're going to put that in here, the thank you page /ebook/thank you, and we're going to go done. So now you can see that this pixel will track all the people who go to our website and then visit our homepage, and then eventually visit our ebook page, and then eventually visit our thank you page. And when they're on our thank you page, that means they've bought our ebook, because you only get redirected to the thank you page if you buy the ebook. So this settings here, or these rules here, mean that a customer had to buy our ebook. So right here, we've created a way of tracking whether our Facebook ad leads are converting and actually buying our ebook. So we can give this a name, and we can call it bought ebook, and we can give it a category, and we're going to choose sale, wherever that is, or purchase, and we're going to give it a value. I mean, if it's a lead that you're doing, you might not have a value, but for an ebook you might. So we're going to call it $25, for example. And then we can create this new rule. And to recap, essentially what this rule is now doing is it's tracking people that come from our Facebook ad to our website, and then the people who go to our ebook page, and then people who go to our ebook thank you page, which means they've bought the book. And that way we can track who's bought the book. Okay, let's click create. And now it's set up, this conversion. Beautiful. That's not too hard, is it? So once you've got your custom conversion set up, and you can set up different custom conversions, like you can set up 100 actually, and each custom conversion can track a different thing. So one custom conversion might track your lead generations, like your contact us forms, and the other ones might track your different sales product forms. So once you've got these set up, you can then create a new Facebook campaign, and in this new Facebook campaign, you can optimize for custom conversions is what I mean. And once you optimize for custom conversion, you can choose your custom conversion, and in our example, we would choose buying the ebook, and we can set that up, and Facebook will optimize their ads for this custom conversion. But the best thing about this whole ad is that at the end of the ad campaign, you can track how many people have clicked on your links and how many of them ended up actually buying your ebook when they're on your website. Because you might find that you're getting 50 link clicks, but none of them end up buying your ebook. Or you might find that you get 50 link clicks and 5 of them end up buying the ebook. And Facebook will show you this information because we've set up the custom conversion so that Facebook is tracking what they're doing on the website. And this is the great thing, because now you can look at the ad campaign and go, oh, cool, we spent $50, we got 10 link clicks, and we got 2 sales. And you can take that and show that, and then if you generated $100 in 2 sales, if you generated $100 worth of revenue from spending $50, it's not a bad system. You put another $50 in, and you get $50 profit. And that's the whole point of tracking these Facebook ads and tracking the revenue that we can generate and measuring it, because now we can work out systems and put in systems to make money, because that's what all businesses come down to, isn't it? Essentially making money.